Yeah.
I am a professional.
Trick Son Knowledge, Monopale right here.
I am a professional.
Yeah.
I am a professional.
And I go now.
I am a
Yeah.
professional.
Trick Son, fake MCs wasumbui kwa sababu wanafahamu kuwa
I am a professional.
toto kiume kama both G's na bidi nijitume
So we are out at the Hudson Country Club, and the maintenance department has been wrestling with the center strap anchor issue, and it keeps falling out, unfortunately. So here we are. We're gonna fix it. This was an overlay. This tennis court was at one point an overlay. Here is the old, here's the old center strap anchor. So what do you do in a situation like this? Well, you got to get that one out. So you got to keep going. You got to suck up what you can. If it's in concrete, you got to use the coring machine to go through the concrete. And now we're down to the nitty-gritty, folks. Yeah, that's what was at the bottom. That's what it looks like. Does need to be touched up with color, but it needs to cure first.